Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. We're going to make pizza peppers today. Okay, so you're going to need some seasoning. I'm going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon pepper, quarter of a teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon onion powder. So we're going to be making pizza bell peppers. So I'm going to use 2 small casserole dishes because I'm going to bake one now for the pizza and I'm going to freeze one. So what I'm going to do is cut, the little head off that has all the seeds. So I'm going to de-seed it, and then I like to cut it this way instead of just cutting the top off and stuffing it, because this is supposed to be a pepper pizza. I'm not stuffing it for Mexican style stuffed peppers. Okay, one little trick that I learned to do, because baking doesn't quite get the peppers as soft as I like them. So these are freezer, oven, microwave safe little casserole dishes. So I turned my peppers upside down and I put some water in the bottom of the pan, the dish. So I'm going to put them in the microwave and I'm going to steam the peppers in the microwave for 1 minute prior to stuffing them. You can see the steam coming off this one. This one that I'm going to freeze, I did not put in the microwave, but I ended up putting the one I'm going to bake today in the microwave for 2 minutes because these were pretty fresh bell peppers. And the reason I use the green bell peppers is because they have fewer carbs than the red or the yellow bell peppers. And I'm not going to put a lot of meat. My ground beef is almost brown. I'm not going to put a lot of meat in each one of these because this is a pizza type dish. So I'm going to add some pepperoni to it also. So to the ground beef, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the Too Good plain yogurt. So 3/4 of a cup has 3 grams. I'm just doing tablespoons. So you're not even getting 1 carb from this. The reason I'm doing this is it just adds an extra creamier flavor. And then you can use pasta sauce of your choice. Just check the back. I check the ingredients and I check the carbs. So this pasta sauce is cheap pasta sauce, 99 cents a can, has 6 carbs for 1/2 cup. So I'm going to use a whole cup. And then I'm going to save the rest for spaghetti for my kids for later. Okay, so now in my casserole dishes, my peppers, I'm just going to spread out the meat and pasta sauce mixture. Then you'll need 2 additional ingredients: Italian cheese and Parmesan cheese. And I do not have a lot of Parmesan cheese. You can use as much as you want, but I'm going to use a cup of the Italian cheese. And I'm just going to start filling my peppers. And then I like to season it with Italian spices. So I'm going to just use Italian seasoning. After I get it in the peppers, I would have added it to the mixture, but it loses a lot of the flavor while you're cooking on the eye if you cook for a while. So I'm going to add it before I bake. So I'm going to sprinkle the Italian seasoning on. Add my Italian cheese. or mozzarella. And then Parmesan. And I'm going to use what I had left. I didn't even have 1/8 of a cup. So I used a little bit of extra Italian shredded cheese. Okay, so one I'm going to freeze, one I'm going to bake. I have my oven preheating to 375. I'm going to bake for 35 minutes. Before I put it in the oven, I forgot to do this. I'm going to add my pepperoni. So each pepperoni, I'm going to put 4 slices. That's 1 carb, but it adds some nice fat to it. So 16 slices, sorry, has 1 carb. So I'm only putting 1 carb on both casseroles because I'm only adding 16 total slices of pepperoni. And there you have it. Quick, easy, delicious pizza peppers. So this will be 2 meals, and I will list the macros and ingredients below.